besties, it's relaxer day. This is the first time in a long time that I've gotten the relaxer, and I don't even know how I feel. So I got the mega growth. I already opened it because I was trying to check what the consistency looks like. I don't think I've gotten this particular type of mega growth before. It came in a pack, and in the pack it came with this. It came with a leave-in straightener. This is like the leave-in conditioner. It also came with the deep conditioner, and it also came with a neutralizing shampoo. This is the complete pack, and I actually love the. I think this is a new improved pack because there were a lot of them. This one is for sensitive care if you have sensitive scalp, and I love the fact that it came with everything you need to have like a proper relaxer day. Okay, the neutralizing shampoo, I love the fact that it came with it, and then it came with the deep conditioner and also the leave-in conditioner. So if you are the kind of person that doesn't have money to like buy the full bottles, you can use the sachet. Yeah, it's actually very nice. So I've already poured out a bit because I don't need a lot for what I am doing. So I poured out the step one and step two, and I'm just about to mix it up together. You guys, I've been trying to laminate my eyebrows for a very long time, and in Nigeria here, it's very difficult to find things. I've just realized that it's very difficult to find normal things, and if you need something extraordinary, this is not even supposed to be extraordinary, but if you need some things like this, you have to order them from Shein or Temu or Amazon, and the waiting time is nothing less than 2 weeks, which I don't even think I have that time right now. And they also give you like minimum order. So because I want to laminate my eyebrows, I have to buy something worth 50,000. I don't blame them. So I'm going to do it the easy way out. I'm going to use relaxers to laminate my eyebrows. So you guys should pray for me because I have not done something like this before. Pray for me. So I don't burn my if I burn my eyebrows, I'll not even do videos until it's in heels. So I've mixed up the relaxer, and I've brushed my eyebrows. So I showed you guys the relaxer. The things I need for this is the relaxer, my shaving, what do I even call this? My shaving this is my shaver. In fact, this is my shaver. It has so many attachments which I've showed you guys before. It has this one, like normal clipper. It has the smoothener. It has the nose trimmer. It has the nose trimmer that you can use to trim your hairs here, and it has this one for your eyebrows, which you guys must have seen me use this one because I mistakenly cut my eyebrows shorter than I normally used to the first time I used this. And you guys, since last year, I got it from Timu, by the way, and it was so cheap. I think it was like 6,000, and 6,000 is like just I think it's not even up to $4. This is so cheap, and it has been working effectively. I just normally charge it. It came with a charger, so I just charge it, and this thing can last you for a very long time. Like I don't have to charge this again. I can use this and use this until it gets down again. Then I just charge it. So this has been a lifesaver. I have not experienced having bumps or whatever ever since I started using this. I normally used to use Vit hair remover cream, but ever since I started using this, I've not gotten Vit again. And the way this thing has been so good, if this one ends up spoiling, I'm still going to get another one. It's been up to almost a year since I got it, I think. Yeah. So, and it has been good. No complaints, nothing. So, I don't know why people always complain that they get bad things from Timu. I'm not, ever since I started buying things from Timu, I've not gotten any bad thing yet. Let's be very honest. So, yeah, I need this. I need my relaxer and wet wipes. These are the things I'll be using. So, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and start. I'm using Q-tips. I'm going to use Q-tips to apply it. An oil, yeah. Let's go ahead and apply an oil first. This is my hair oil, but I'm going to use it for my eyebrow. I have a mirror here. You can see me looking up. So we have to protect the skin around the hair the same way that if you are relaxing your hair, you use grease or Vaseline or oil to protect your edges. We don't want you burning your edges off, please, or burning your skin. So I'm going to apply an oil as a barrier. So even if the relaxer gets to this part, it won't burn my skin because I'm not about to suffer any kind of chemical burn right now. And you guys, don't be surprised, okay? You are still going to get more surprises from me this year. I promise you. I promise you guys, you're getting more surprises from me. By the time you're watching this video, I must have done things. Now when you guys see it, you will definitely say it's AI. Those videos are coming. So I'm trying to hint you guys in advance. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. So I'm done coating everywhere that I need to coat. So we're going to gently apply this thing. And I don't want you to touch any other place that is not the brows. So yes, oh my god. Okay, let's go ahead and start. Because I beg go. So I don't want the thing to touch unnecessary places. That's why I'm being very careful right here. I think I've touched everywhere. And you don't have to leave this for too long. You all know that your eyebrows are not like your normal hair. If you leave this for too long, I promise you, you're going to burn your eyebrows and it's going to be very red and painful. So as you're applying it, once you are done, please wipe it off. Okay, you guys are going to see what I'm going to do. So let me quickly do this side and then I'll come back. I don't want to waste too much time, okay? I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I can see it. Though I feel like this part relaxed more than this one. I should have left this in a little longer. But there is definitely a difference and I think I'm satisfied. I think I'm satisfied with how it looks. I didn't leave it for too long because I don't want to have any kind of burn whatsoever. I feel like this one did well more than this. I should have left this one a little bit longer. But I can't apply relaxer twice. I can't. So I'm going to leave it like that. And we will now go ahead and use the neutralizing shampoo. Now apply neutralizing shampoo the normal way you would do if you're relaxing your hair. You apply a neutralizing shampoo. Immediately you wash off your relaxer and you're going to wash until the color turns white. So let's get extra wipes. So it's somehow pink, and here I don't know if the camera can catch it. You can see that it's somehow pink. This is how you know that it's not ready yet. You have to clean and wash until it turns white. So this is for people that normally relax their hair and they don't use a neutralizing shampoo. If you wash out your relaxers without using the neutralizing shampoo, the process is still gradually ongoing. That's the reason why most times you end up with over processed hair. If you do not use the neutralizing shampoo to neutralize the effectiveness of the relaxer, It's just going to keep processing, and by the time you know it, your hair is overly processed. That is why this neutralizing shampoo you see in the pack is not for fancy, and that's why when my hair was relaxed, I kept on advising people in my videos to make sure that you do not skip using a neutralizing shampoo after washing off your relaxers. So it's very very important, and I'm going to show you what this one looks like by the time I clean it off right now. So you're going to use a clean side. See, this side is very clean. We're going to use it to clean it off and see. You can see it is white, right? The other one was pink. I don't know if I can find the other one was pink. See, the other side I used was pink, but this one is white. So that's how you know that you've washed everything off. So I'm just going to let this side dry, and then I'll come back and we'll shape the eyebrows together. Okay. I hope I don't mess it up again today. So guys, I think I'm done. My eyebrows are never perfectly the same, and I've come to terms with that. But I think I did a good job. I am going to like tint the eyebrow, but I've been thinking if I should tint it black or brown. I feel like brown doesn't really come out on my face, but black will show. And I don't know if I'm going to do the tinting today. Maybe I'll wait a little bit till evening time so at whatever thing I have done with this relaxer will not make my eyebrows to fall off. So the tinting is going to be in another video. You guys, I'm just experimenting you in this period and I'm so scared. So I'm going to wait a bit, please, so that the relaxer can cool off, whatever. Then I'll come back in another video and show you guys how I tint my brows. But altogether, I think it looks good. By the time I tint it, it's going to look so fine.